know if y'all can hear me, but
Doon ka magbo-birthday?
Doon tayo magbo-birthday. Doon ako magbo-birthday. Happy? Cancun! Look at the pila, guys. Grabe. Saan ba tayo? Thank you. Yes, sir. Bakit din Spanish ka na lang? Sir, we about to go to Cancun, bro. We about to go to Cancun. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
¿Podemos caminar hasta el centro o necesitamos tomar un autobús?
Thank you. Mami. Oh, okay. Nice. Yo, para kang nasa Pilipinas dito, guys.
Iba yung init dito. Like,
Iba talaga.
masakit siya sa balat.
Ang init. Alam mo, ngayon na lang ulit ako pagpapawisan ng ano, yung dahil sa araw, yung sa init. Hindi ako tagal kung di pinagpapawisan eh. Naghahanap tayo ngayon, guys, ng mga restaurant na pwede nating kainin. Kainan. Kainan pala.
Yan, kain ka kasi.
Ang sarap kumain dito, guys, pag gabi na. Feeling ko buhay ito kapag gabi.
Dami dito, ano, like ganyan, kay kuya ko.
Tamang lakad lang kami. Yeah. How are you?
What you guys got in mind?
We haven't decided yet.
They got the party mode to go to the island. You still got a chance to go today.
We're trying to find some food first. We're hungry. Yeah.
Tequila.
Tequila. It's too early for tequila. We'll come back though. We'll come back.
Okay, let me give you my business card though.
Sure.
That's what my dad said, and I'm still waiting for him, like 30 years later.
Oh, really? Oh,
We
yeah.
got the ATV, zip line, cenotes. That breakfast here. It's like that's just over here. So it's like the souvenir shop. They haven't opened. It's just the banks.
What time do they usually open?
To like 10.
Oh, 10.
10 minutes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we still got time. We're gonna walk around and we'll come back because our hotel is just right here.
Okay.
So appreciate it, Ricardo.
Yeah, Ricardo.
Nice to meet you, man.
See.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Take it.
Nagugutom na talaga kami.
Ex Mutuleño.
Breakfast.
Ano ba salita nila dyan? Spanish ka na?
Spanish. Bread.
Ayun, pagka kunwari may nabangga ka tapos hindi mo naman sinasadya, lo siento, ganun.
Lo siento.
Lo siento.
Oh, yun ang food natin. That's fine. Ano yan? Oh, that's mine.
Ice? Thank you.
So guys, katatapos natin kumain, una nating tinry yung first restaurant na nakita natin dito lang sa tabi-tabi. At okay naman siya. So ang oras natin ngayon ay 10 AM pa lang. Basically brunch namin yung kanina. 3 PM pa kami pwede mag-check-in sa hotel. Iniwan lang muna namin dun yung mga gamit namin. Tapos, maglalakad-lakad na muna siguro kami. Or hindi ko alam kasi ang init talaga, as in solid. Ang hapdi sa balat ng init. Balitaan na lang namin kayo pag naka-check-in na kami. Are you born and raised here? In Cancun or?
Oh yes, here in Cancun.
Oh, okay. Alright. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much.
Appreciate it. Gracias, papi. Bro, this is paradise right here. Oh, fresh.
It's fresh.
How much?
150 pesos.
150?
With chips.
Do you have a spoon? What do you call that spoon?
Thank you.
Gracias.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just sitting right here on the beach, watching the waves roll in, and it's really quiet. The breeze is perfect, and the sun's doing its thing. And we also got this freshly made ceviche shrimp salad, and the one that you see in the video earlier, that's one of the locals here in Cancun, and it's really good. Like the spiciness, the kick of it, it's really good. Grabe. Kung dati nakita ko lang to sa movie pero hindi ko akalain na one day kasama ko na yung asawa ko. Nandito kami sa Cancun ngayon. Grabe, totoo pala talaga yung pag may minamanifest kang gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo o kahit saan pa mang bagay. Huwag kang tumigil na maniwala na one day ibibigay rin sa'yo ni God kasi everything has a perfect timing. Sabi nga nila, diba? So yeah, maraming salamat sa mga nanood at kita-kita na lang ulit tayo sa susunod. Ingat!